Hello, this is Great Teacher Nico. This is a question from word problem from Algebra. Post it if you want to catch up. Ron's age is one half of Sam's age, and Sam's age is three times of Ted's age. So, so to get the Ron's age, you must multiply the 3t to one half. So to get this, and this. Adding them together, you get 11 halves t, then divided by 55. So inverse it to 211. So you get 10. So third age is 10. So to get Sam's age, you need to multiply by 3. So Sam's age is 30. So to get the row's age, you must divide Sam's age by half. So order to get 15. The answer to this question is D.